Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower foam. First, choose the right foam for your project. Green foam is for fresh flowers, while gray foam is for artificial ones. Next, select a container that complements your design and is large enough to hold the foam securely. Finally, prepare the foam by letting it soak in water until it is fully saturated, which usually takes about 1 minute. Once you have your foam, carefully cut it to fit your container, leaving about 1 inch of space from the rim. Place the foam gently on the surface of clean water in a basin. Let it absorb water naturally until it sinks on its own, which typically takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Never push the foam under the water, as this can create air pockets and dry areas. Now for the fun part, arranging your flowers. Start by inserting your main, larger flowers first, creating your desired shape. Then, fill in with smaller blooms and greenery, ensuring each stem is inserted at an angle. This technique helps prevent large holes and provides better stability. Aim for each stem to penetrate at least 1 inch into the foam for optimal support and water absorption. To keep your beautiful arrangement looking fresh for as long as possible, remember to add fresh water to the container daily. The foam should always feel damp to the touch. Position your arrangement in a cool spot, away from direct sunlight, drafts, or heat vents, which can cause flowers to wilt quickly. Regularly remove any spent blooms or yellowing leaves to encourage longevity and maintain its vibrant appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.